Okay, y'all, so I am coming on this camera looking ready to attach it in my rarest form. No, just kidding. My hair is definitely very dry and in need of a good conditioning and shampooing, so that is what I'm doing today. I'm going to show you all my wash and go routine. So I know it looks like I'm focusing off, but my camera has been cutting off, like literally probably right now, like it just cuts off and I can't get this recording out. So if I'm looking to the side, please disregard me because I'm trying to make sure that my camera is still recording. And yeah, so let's get to it. I'm doing a wash and go. So the first thing that I normally do with my wash and goes, of course, is shampoo and condition my hair. I use this argan oil shampoo. Is sulfate free and it hydrates and detangles, and this definitely does what it says it do. It's going to hydrate your hair and detangle it, and this has been the #1 thing that I have been using in my routine because it does help detangle my hair. I haven't had anything that helps me this well, so this is definitely a staple in my wash and goes or in my shampooing routine, period. What I normally do is use this twice while finger detangling my hair when I'm putting it in, and then I'll move on to the Dove Ultra Care conditioner. This was sent to me by Influencer and I have been using it ever since. I was sent it about a few months ago, and I am definitely low on this, so I'm going to be repurchasing this because it works so well. I love the way it smells, but it does help it does help with the detangling process of my hair. I think that this was one of the things that helped me the most, and I would have never thought to try a Dove product on my hair, but I was sent this and I was like, what the heck, it can't hurt if I'm just trying it, and I didn't have to spend anything on it. So I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. This does also help with my detangling process. Like when I let this sit on for a few minutes and then go through and detangle my hair and take it out, my hair is detangled, period, for the rest of the time being. Like I don't have to go back in and detangle it when I get out the shower. So this is a staple. But what I used to use was the Design Essential Almond Butter Conditioner to detangle my hair, and I think that I do like the Dove better. I think that for the tangling wise, they're both on the same level, but I just love the smell of the Dove one, and I think that it may be more inexpensive than this one. So I mean, I don't know for sure, honestly, so I haven't checked it out, so we'll see. But for conditioner, I used to use the Peppermint and Alloy conditioner from Design Essentials as well. It has a strong peppermint smell to it, and it does help with deep cleaning and open up your pores. So I did not use this every time I shampoo, but the times that I needed a deep condition, this is what I use, and it does help with itchy scalp, which I have a lot. So this time I have a very itchy scalp because my hair is dry, so I'm going to start off with this one first. Let that open up my pores and get a good cleaning in it, and then I'll do that one time, and then I'm going to go into my argan oil one, which is going to hydrate and continue to help me detangle my hair, because I detangle every shampoo, and even when I condition, I'm still detangling just to make sure I don't have to detangle when I get out of the shower. So I'm going to move on to this one so it can rehydrate my hair back from that one, because I think it does strip my hair. I haven't used it in a minute, so I'm going to just do what I said, like go in with the argan oil one just in case, and then I'm going to condition with the Dove conditioner because this has been heaven for my hair and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. So that is what I'm going to do, you guys, and then I will definitely be back when I get out the shower to show you all the next step of my wash and go routine. And this is really, I honestly, I'm not lying, this is the easiest wash and go that I've ever done. Like I have never been able to achieve a wash and go with my hair type. I think I have like a 4 something hair type, and I have never been able to achieve a wash and go. But when I used these products and did a wash and go, I was able to achieve a wash and go, and I, without like a lot of shrinkage, because I know that like shrinkage is definitely probably a problem for most of our natural community. So this, I'm sure I'm talking too much. Let me go ahead and shampoo my hair, and then I will be back with you guys to show you the next steps. Okay, y'all, I am back, and as you can see, my hair is definitely wet. I like to leave it as wet as possible because that helps me with my wash and goes. I do wring it out just a little bit, just so it won't be doing what it's doing regardless, because apparently I didn't wring it out enough. But we can get into this process. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm using first. What I like to start off with is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner. It's supposed to be help for like damaged hair, dry hair. I think that this is one of the things that helped me with my wash and goes as well, because I don't know, I guess it's a combination of all the things, but this definitely does help me a lot with my moisture. I like to use the Cantu Shea Butter Coconuts, what is it called, curling cream. I stopped using this because when I used to do a wash and goes, it wasn't working for me, and my hair did used to be a little bit dry not too long after, but with the combination of things that I'm using, this actually does work for my wash and goes now. So I started back using this. It's supposed to be a deep, it says define, moisturizes, and strengthen. I don't know how true that is, but it does help with my wash and go now. And another thing that I'm going to be using is the Eco Styling Gel. This is the Argan Oil Styling Gel, and this is going to be my first time using the Argan Oil Styling Gel. I normally use the Eco Styling Flaxseed one, so I'm hoping that this works the same. I wouldn't see why it won't. The only reason why I got this one is because the flaxseed one was out when I went to the store, so I'm just hoping that it definitely works the same, because it is the same brand. I'm having to use my camera on my phone as a mirror, because apparently I don't have a mirror at the moment. So I'm going to spray this in my hair first. So next I'm going to go into that coconut cream Cantu, and I'm going to generously apply that to my whole head. I don't have a lot left, so I'm going to have to probably be buying this again, or definitely finding something else to invest into. So what do you guys use for your wash and goes? Comment down below what you like best, and then I'm gonna, you know, try to get it and try it on camera to see if it works better than what I have now. So I'm starting off with this much. I know it appears to be a lot, but I promise you, once it dries, it's not gonna be that much. So massage it into the hair. And I know that y'all are probably used to separating your hair when you do your wash and goes, but me personally, I don't have time to sit there and do my hair. I mean, okay, I'm lying, I do have time to sit there and do my hair section by section, but I'm lazy and I'm not gonna do that. So this is what I found to have worked best for me. So yeah. And if you feel like your wash and go routine is better than mine, comment it down below. I would like to definitely see it and see how long it takes you to do. So my camera died, but what I was saying was, if you feel like you have a better wash and go routine, or would like to share your wash and go routine, if you have a YouTube channel, comment it down below, because I would definitely like to watch and see what you do differently and how long it takes you to do your wash and go, because I always like to add on, and anything that can strengthen or make my routine better, I definitely would like that. So if you feel like you have a routine that I can benefit from for my hair type, please comment it down below. Now with the argan oil gel, you're going to be using a lot. So what I'm going to start off with is probably like this much, and I like to keep it mainly on the tips, like on the fingers pretty much. And you really saturate your hair, like really saturate it. Don't miss any parts of your hair, because you want all of your hair to be defined. And just separate it and go into it as well. You're still separating the curls as you would a normal wash and go, but my lazy wash and go, you just do it faster. Okay, so I'm done with the products and putting it in my hair. You can definitely let this air dry, use a hand dryer with a diffuser, or sit under a hooded dryer, which is what I'm gonna do now. Sit under the hooded dryer and see how much it dries, because I do have something to do and I don't want to go to sleep tonight with wet hair, which is what I normally do. So I'm going to sit on the hooded dryer for a little bit and then see how much it dries, and then show you what it looks like at that point. But yeah, it is definitely a quick wash and go, and your hair definitely gets defined. Especially for my hair texture, I feel like this is definitely something that's, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I feel like it definitely works well for me. So try it, let me know, and then comment down below how it works for you. But I'm gonna go sit on this dryer right quick and I will be back. Okay y'all, so I sat under the hooded dryer for a little bit, and I used the hand dryer a little bit too, and it's still little pieces here and there that is just like a teensy bit wet, but I'm not worried about that because I got things to do. What I'm gonna do is take this oil, this tea tree and jojoba oil, and squeeze some in my hand and put it on my hair, because I noticed that I squirted some on my leg. Ugh. Well, thank you. I done wasted it on my leg. But anyways, I noticed that when I dry it, like either under the hooded dryer or with the hand dryer, it kind of dries out the hair, and I didn't experience that when I let it air dry. So my recommendation is definitely probably to just let your hair air dry if you have the time, because it did dry out my hair. So that's why I'm going to be using the oil, which is something that I don't normally do, because I do want some moisture. I do want moisture in my hair. That's the reason why I did this, you know, to have my moisture in my hair. And then sitting under the dryer just suck all that up, especially like, of course, in the middle of my head, because that's where it was focused. Like down here, it's not like 100% dry, probably like 90% dry. So it still kind of has like its moisture down here, but at the top it got dry. So it took some of my moisture, but you know, that's neither here nor there. What's done is done, and I still like the outcome of my hair. Let me look at this. Yeah, I still like the outcome of my hair. I'm going to play around with it off camera, but all in all, this is the completed look for my wash and go. This is like how I like to wear it, because I don't like center parts, and I don't quite know how to do the bang wash and go yet. But when I figure that out, I guess I'll show you guys. But I'll put a little bit more oil in it. There we go. Yeah, so I'm all complete with my hair at this point. I'm not gonna do anything else to it. You can see my curls are defined, especially for me having 4, whatever letter it is, but I know it's definitely 4 type hair. I think I definitely made my hair more defined than what it would normally be if I didn't put these products and do a wash and go on it. So let me know what you think down below of this look and how I accomplished my wash and go. If you're gonna try it, tag me in it so I can see, because I like to see, you know, how it works on your hair. If you don't have the same hair texture as mine, I want to see how it turned out. Also subscribe to my channel, thumbs this video up, and comment down below if there's something specific that you want to see, whether it's something that's related to hair, whether it's related to makeup, or even something in general. Just let me know what you want to see from me, and I will see you all in my next video. Peace.